Welcome to the first video on building our body apron. So first you want to cut out all of the stencils that are related to the heart and everything in it. Make sure you cut out all of the different pieces. Once they're cut out, you are going to take all of them and take different colored pieces of foam. In this case, blue foam and red foam. Each of them you will find are labeled with either blue or red, identifying which color you should cut them out of. Next, you're going to trace all of your stencils along the foam so that you can cut them out and they will be the perfect shape. Once they have been traced, cutting is going to be the next essential step. So you want to cut them out and make them look very nice. Next, you're going to take all of your red ones and cut them out of, you guessed it, red foam. So you're going to repeat the process by tracing and cutting. Now this one, you actually have to take all of these nice little lines and draw them onto your heart so it looks about the same like this. Next, you are going to take your pieces, lay them out, and we're going to start attaching things. This right here is your vena cava. Make sure there's a little slit cut in it so that you are able to put it in the proper place in your heart. Both the superior and the inferior vena cava will take your blood and put it into your right atrium. Your right atrium is right there at the top where I am now stapling it, and you are able to see that that is where the blood is initially kept. We are now, after seeing the superior and inferior vena cava, the blood going in, the blood in the atria will go through your tricuspid into your right ventricle. It then wants to get out of your right ventricle and it's going to head to the lungs. So it's going to go through the pulmonary artery, which is this blue one right here. To get to the pulmonary artery, it does have to go through a semilunar valve. The semilunar valve is the pulmonary valve, and so out the pulmonary valve and into the lungs. This is the only one that is deoxygenated blood going away from the heart. That there is going to be your pulmonary vein. It is the only vein that carries oxygenated blood. It is actually going to pull it from the lungs and it is going to go right there into the left atrium. Now that we have laid the pulmonary vein, we can see that the blood is going to go into the left atrium. It will then go through the bicuspid valve into your left ventricle, and I'm now pointing at the semilunar valve known as the aortic valve. This is now the aorta. It will be attached thusly and it will go back behind the heart, taking blood to your entire body from your left ventricle. Once this has been done, you have done a terrific job. We are going to take the top part of the heart and enclose it, showing that there's an outside portion of the heart protecting all these lovely inner workings. You have now finished your lovely heart. If you are looking forward to some lovely labeling of this heart and even the respiratory system, that is going to be in the next video.